Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Bitrix24 Drive on the free plan for all your cloud storage and file sharing needs. First, find the Drive section in your main menu. This is your central hub for all files, with 5 GB of free storage. To upload files, just drag and drop them from your computer directly into the drive. You can create folders to keep everything organized now for sharing. Right-click any file or folder and select Share. You can generate a link to send to anyone, or share it directly with specific people in your Bitrix24 workspace. The key feature is access rights. When you share, you can set permissions to view only, so people can't edit your original file, or full access for collaboration. You can also share files directly into a Bitrix24 chat or task, which automatically sets up the right permissions for everyone involved. Use the common folder for files your entire company needs. Create project-specific folders to keep teams organized. And that's it. You've just mastered free, secure file storage and sharing for your entire team in Bitrix24. If this organizes your company files, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.